Happy Valentine's, nanay. Ken, happy Valentine's, nanay. May cash ba yung dati?
Anong TikTok?
Flowers!
Nagalit to. Chocolate ko, chocolate.
Sabi mo muna, Happy Valentine Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday mo? Tayo ba yan?
Oh, ayan na, ayan na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. O, kanta na.
Ito na. At ang lasa na sin... Ay, ito.
Oh, blow, blow, blow.
Ikaw kasi naman sila
Patayin mo, patayin mo, patayin mo. 1, 2, 3, blow!